A safety program is a structured system of policies, procedures, and practices that a workplace uses to prevent injuries, illnesses, and accidents. These programs are designed to identify and control workplace hazards, ensure regulatory compliance, and create a safer environment for employees, contractors, and visitors. Key components include hazard assessment, employee training, performance monitoring, and emergency preparedness. Key components of a safety program: hazard identification and control. This involves assessing the work environment to identify potential hazards and implementing controls, such as engineering changes or the use of personal protective equipment (PPE) to mitigate risks. Employee training and communication, providing thorough training on safety procedures, potential hazards, and emergency responses is crucial. A safety program also includes a documented process for consulting with and communicating with employees about safety matters. Incident investigation, a process for investigating accidents and near misses to determine the root cause and implement corrective actions, is a vital part of a safety program. Performance monitoring and evaluation. Regularly reviewing the program's effectiveness, inspecting work areas, and tracking safety-related data like accident rates helps identify areas for improvement. Management commitment and support. For a program to be successful, leadership must demonstrate a commitment to safety, which includes providing resources and leading by example. Emergency preparedness. A safety program should include plans for how to respond to emergencies, such as fires or medical incidents. Written documentation. A written safety plan is the foundation of the program, outlining goals, rules, and responsibilities and ensuring consistency in safety efforts.